Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the pKa from a titration curve is actually super fast and easy. Let's break down these simple steps to find the right answer together. First, we need to locate the equivalence point on our graph where the curve is steepest. Looking closely, that vertical section happens right at 20 milliliters of the added base volume. Next, we find the half-equivalence point by taking half of that volume. Since our total was 20, we just look at the 10 milliliter mark on the horizontal axis instead. At the 10 milliliter mark, pH equals pKa. Looking at the vertical axis, the value is 4, making option B the final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing, trust the given data, and check your steps carefully.